Hello everyone, welcome back. And in this video, I'll show you how to change Instagram notification sounds. Let's get started because it's quick and simple. You can customize the sound of your Instagram notifications in the Instagram app, but it's buried deep in the settings. Also, I tested this one with a variety of devices and couldn't find a way to change the notification sounds on iOS devices. If you're not seeing it, it's most likely not available for your device. I've got Instagram open right now, and the very first step you should take is to press on the profile icon over here, and then simply press the three lines right here. Then you need to click on the settings. And then we'll head to notifications where you'll see an option called From Instagram. If you click From Instagram, you can switch on any and all kinds of notifications here. However, if you scroll all the way down here, you'll see additional options in System Settings, and that's where you can change your Instagram notification sounds. If you're not seeing this option, your app has to be updated. After that, make sure that all of your Instagram notifications are turned on. Then choose one of these options. So for example, Instagram Direct should have its default sound, but right here it says Advanced. If you touch this, you will be provided with a list of options. Then you can select Sound from here, and now you can choose any sound you like. After that, tap on the check mark to change your default notification sound to the one you selected. So you could repeat all that with all kinds of different options you have over here. You can change any of these by choosing them, then selecting Advanced and finally Sound. And this is how you change Instagram notification. As I said in the beginning, you cannot tweak the sound of the Instagram notification on the iPhone. It's disappointing to hear, and that's not the answer you were hoping for, but it is the truth. If you have an Android device, you will have the option to change your notification sound and customize it here. I hope you have found this information useful. Please subscribe to the channel and like this video. Thanks for watching.